In 1972, BMW's motorsport division was born, making M the most powerful letter in the world for over 40 years. In 2011, BMW acted upon yet another epic vision and launched BMW I, a division focused on making I the most sustainable letter in the world. These two divisions now bookend the core BMW brand, with M breaking new ground in the areas of power and agility, and I creating the future of mobility, a future where ultimate driving machines will be both clean and mean, fast and efficient, awe-inspiring and accountable. Recently, BMW capitalized on two new opportunities related to the M and I divisions. On the M side of the equation, BMW recognized the notable power and agility gap between M cars and regular production models. Thus, BMW unveiled a new concept, iPerformance automobiles, that includes the M235i, X4 M40i, and M760i. These are traditional BMW models infused with added dynamism thanks to the transfer of knowledge from motorsport engineers who assisted with fine-tuning the powertrain, suspension, and braking systems. On the I side of the ledger, BMW saw an opportunity to infuse traditional models with a higher degree of innovation and efficiency. This new concept is called BMW iPerformance. These models leverage some of the technological expertise that went into creating the i8, the most progressive sports car the world has ever seen. Most notably, iPerformance models benefit from the expertise of BMW i engineers who have added plug-in hybrid powertrain systems to cars traditionally powered by internal combustion engines. One such BMW is the 330e sedan, which now blends cutting-edge i8 innovations into the world's most highly acclaimed and best-selling sedan in history, the 3 Series. Like the i8, the 330e utilizes BMW eDrive technology, meaning it combines a gas engine with an electric motor and high-voltage lithium-ion battery, and uses advanced software logic to deliver the perfect balance of powerful and efficient driving. The gas engine is an all-new 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo that creates 180 horsepower and 215 pound-feet of torque. The electric motor is integrated into the automatic transmission and generates 87 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque for instantaneous response from a standstill. Total combined output is 248 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque channeled to the rear wheels via an 8-speed automatic that includes steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. To put all of this in perspective, the 330e matches the horsepower output of the gas-powered 330i while generating a whopping 20% more torque. And it does so while delivering superior fuel economy. Better still, the 330e adds the flexibility to operate the car in pure electric mode when covering shorter local distances, all while burning no fuel and creating zero emissions. All told, the car hustles to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds, while generating a combined 31 miles per gallon when driven using only the gas engine, and an amazingly efficient 72 mpge when letting the hybrid system select the best combination of gas and/or electric driving. And the car's nearly 50-50 weight balance ensures it's as surgically precise as all other 3 Series models when pushing it through the corners. The lithium-ion battery is located beneath the trunk floor, which aids in weight balance, creates a lower center of gravity, and provides for superior crash protection. And because the battery fits beneath the floor, the 40-20-40 split folding rear seat backs can be lowered for additional cargo space. An 8-year, 80,000-mile battery warranty is included. The lithium-ion battery can be charged in similar fashion to the i8. While driving, the gas engine can be used to charge the battery, and when coasting or braking, the electric motor acts as a generator to capture the kinetic energy from the spinning wheels. The car also comes with an occasional use charger. The charging cable is kept in a special bag in the trunk. Convenient and easy to use wherever you choose to charge. To facilitate public charging, owners can take advantage of the Charge Now mobility service from BMW i. Once subscribed, customers are granted access to the entire ChargePoint network of more than 23,000 public charging stations, and they can do so with the added convenience of monthly billing. The charging flap is located on the driver's side front fender between the wheel arch and driver's door. In addition to the charging flap, there are a few visual cues that set the 330e apart. At the front of the vehicle, the kidney grille slats are accented in blue. Under hood, the engine cover features a blue stripe with an eDrive logo. On the exterior, there is a 330e badge on the trunk lid, as well as eDrive logos on the C-pillar. Inside the car, there are eDrive logos on the door sills, an electronic eDrive logo in the instrument cluster beneath the tachometer, and an eDrive button located at the base of the gear shifter. This eDrive button enables drivers to select from 3 operating modes in order to modify the powertrain to best match the current driving situation. Auto eDrive is the default mode each time the driver enters and starts the car. In this mode, the software logic determines if the car should use the gas engine, electric motor, or both simultaneously, all in a bid to strike the perfect balance between sportiness and efficiency. It prioritizes electric mode at low to moderate speeds for zero emissions driving, but the gas engine will automatically engage when needed, such as when demanding more rapid acceleration or when climbing a steep incline. Conversely, when driving at higher speeds using only the gas engine, the electric motor can be called upon to provide a boost function, such as when attempting to pass on the freeway. Max eDrive is selected when desiring to drive in pure electric mode. This is the perfect setting for driving shorter distances, such as when running errands. Better still, the car can be driven at speeds up to 75 miles per hour on battery power, so one needn't sacrifice speed to drive efficiently. The gas engine can activate at any time if the accelerator is pushed down beyond its kickdown position for more rapid response. Save battery mode allows the driver to save or build up the battery's energy reserves for use at a later time. For example, when the charge level is below 50%, the gas engine is used to power the battery to 50% full. If the battery level is already over 50%, the charge level remains frozen to ensure the remaining electric energy can be used for all-electric driving in urban areas later in the journey. Using iDrive, the driver can choose to display an eDrive menu that shows system power usage in real time. When ordering navigation, the 330e includes a proactive driving assistant that proactively scans the entire route, assesses current traffic situations, and calculates the most ideal power strategy along the route, all in a bid to maximize the use of pure electric, zero emissions driving. Additionally, the nav system offers the driver the option to choose the eco route, which is the most fuel-efficient route possible, one that tries to maximize the use of pure electric driving. Ordering navigation yields yet another bonus. The iDrive system can be used to locate and display public charging stations on the map. 330e owners also benefit from the use of the BMW Connected app. One can remotely check the vehicle's current charge status and total hybrid fuel range. Then search for public charging stations and send the preferred location to the vehicle. One can also use the app to precondition the interior cabin by having the lithium-ion battery power the car's air conditioning or heating system prior to entering the vehicle. Charging times can also be scheduled when the car is plugged in to utilize low-cost utility times. With the i8, BMW pioneered a new era of sustainable performance, an era that successfully blends visceral performance with extraordinary efficiency, an era that delivers maximum performance with minimum environmental impact, an era that delivers zero emissions driving with zero sacrifices. With the 330e iPerformance sedan, this same engineering expertise has now made its way into BMW's core brand, opening another exciting new chapter in the history of the legendary 3 Series.